justice, and service to society. This academic gown is a symbol of the wearer's remarkable achievements. The hood, elegantly draping on the honoree, is painted in the color of the academic discipline where the honoree has contributed a legacy and paramount influence in the field of specialization or study.
Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig Maglebak-lebak na tanako po. Graduate na si BBM. Oo, ngayong araw na to, first time in his life, sabi pa mga bashers, na nakasuot ng toga at Doctor of Laws. Wow, abogado agad kabibig. Ganon si BBM ay. Very powerful. Alam nyo ba, ginawaran si BBM ng BBM honored with PLM's highest honorary degree. This is another meaningful recognition for President Bongbong Marcos. Sabi ni Live Awake Theatan. Ginawaran si BBM ng Doctor of Laws, honoris causa ng pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila during the 58th commencement exercise ngayong araw na to, August 27. The distinctions in PLM's highest honorary degree conferred in recognition of the President's contribution to economic development, education, public health, and social equity. More than the title itself, it's a recognition from an academic institution of the work and public service behind it. May meaningful connection din ang first couple sa PLM, sabi ni Theatan. First Lady Liza Marcos previously taught at the PLM College of Law, something BBM himself acknowledged when he spoke out the university's special place in their family. Proud moment daw ito ni BBM. Nako, alam nyo kung ano ang mensahe ni BBM? Basahin ko ha. Lubos akong pinarangalan na tanggapin ang degree ng Doctor of Laws, honoris causa, ang pinakamataas na parangal ng degree na ipinagkaloob ng pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Tinatanggap ko ang pagkilalang ito na may pasasalamat. Kalakip ang kamalayan sa malaking responsibilidad na nakaakibat nito. Sa mga nasipagtapos sa PLM, naway ay inyong kaalaman ay gabayan ng karunungan. Ang iyong tagumpay ay masukat sa mga buhay na iyong napapabuti. At ang iyong mga nagawa ay maiukol sa pag-unlad ng ating bansa. Ay, pasensya na ano ko yung mga yung mga sabing BBM ba, yung parang nauutal, nandun si Isko Moreno. Naku, grabe. Sikat na si BBM. Nagkaroon ng the honorary degree of Doctor of Laws. Naku, grabe. Iba talaga si BBM kabibig. Diba? So, napanood nyo na ba si BBM? Naku, grabe kabibig. Marami ang nagsabi, this is the right time. Ang galing-galing ni BBM. Pinarangalan si BBM dahil sa maganda niyang na ginawa para sa bansa. Nakaka-inspire, sabi ni Kifichu, magsilbi itong aral sa lahat na it's never too late to graduate even at 68. Rhyming niya yan ha. Sabi naman ni Kabataan Party List Representative Renico, this is an insult to the hundreds of lawyers. The abogado ng bayan who studied day in and day out to refine their knowledge of the law and ensure that said knowledge serves the most vulnerable. Malaking kabaliktaran kay Marcos Jr. Ay, dito parang parang agree ako kay Kabataan Representative Renico. Sabi naman ni Kim Inok, maybe Representative Renico did not comprehend the meaning and logic of honorary doctor. Study more, Madam Ko, before you open your mouth. An honorary doctor degree is a symbolic title given by a school to honor a person for great work in society, but it does not require college classes or tests. Oh. So, iginawa daw yun ni BBM kasi may magandang achievement si BBM. So, it means they seen the legacy of Bongbong Marcos. PLM ha, kayo talaga ha, nakita nyo na ang legacy ni BBM. Ano kayang legacy si BBM? Basta kabibig, oy. Yun ang trending news ngayon na Doctor of Law. So, yun na-explain natin ni Thea Tan kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng Doctor of Laws. Yun ay, ang sabi naman ng PLM, ibinigay ito sa mga matataas na opisyal na kung saan merong nagawa sa Pilipinas. Grabe ka, bibig. Oy, ito happy si BBM. Sino bang hindi ma-happy dyan, di ba? First time nakasuot ka ng toga. And the same time, first time mo na parangalan ng honorary degree of Doctor of Laws. Iba si BBM. Ay, sabi ni BBM, lubos kong ikinararangal na matanggap ang Doctor of Laws, honoris causa, ang pinakamataas na honorary degree na iginagawad ng PLM. Yan, iba. Nag-iisa si BBM. So, ito, panoorin natin ang speech ni BBM. Watch this video.
Thank you very much to our Manila Mayor Isko Moreno Dumagoso. Please take your seats. Manila Vice Mayor Angela Chi Ilagan Atienza Valdepeñas, ang pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila Chairman of the Board of Regents Attorney Ed Serapio, pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila University President and Chief Academic Officer Attorney Domingo Reyes Jr., members of the PLM Board of Regents, college deans, university officials, faculty members and staff, graduating students and proud parents, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today, I stand before you, humbled as the pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila confers upon me the degree of Doctor of Laws honoris causa, its highest honorary degree. I receive this honor with gratitude, mindful of the responsibility that comes with it. This recognition affirms a principle that my administration shares with the PLM, that education must remain a pathway to opportunity, a catalyst for progress, and a cornerstone of nation building. The theme of PLM's 58th commencement exercises is especially fitting. Mga makabagong pantas taglay ang karunungan tungo sa kadakilaan at kaunlaran. It captures the purpose of education, to transform knowledge into wisdom, wisdom into excellency, and progress and service. And that, more than any degree or title bestowed today, is the standard to which I hold myself. For generations, PLM has opened opportunities for young Filipinos whose dreams should never be limited by their circumstances in life. PLM also holds a special place in our family, as the First Lady once taught at its College of Law. And through her years here, we became knowledgeable of the first-hand commitment of this university in shaping the future generations of Filipino professionals. Its history stands as proof that talent is universal and potential is found everywhere. I therefore accept this recognition with a renewed commitment to uphold the values that this university has long championed: karunungan, kaunlaran, kadakilaan, wisdom, progress, and greatness. These ideals remind us that knowledge and wisdom must ultimately lead to the progress of our people. The promise of a tertiary education and training still does not reach every Filipino household equally. And thus we remain committed to the full and effective implementation of the universal access to quality tertiary education. We continue to expand higher education opportunities and government financial assistance. We are ensuring that more students from disadvantaged and vulnerable sectors receive support through free college education and technical vocation education and training programs. But access must mean more than entering a university. It must mean providing our students, regardless of circumstance, the support needed to complete their education and to realize the promise that a college degree can bring. We are doing this by expanding free higher education, which now benefits 2.62 million students, while continuing scholarship and financial assistance programs such as the Tertiary Education Subsidy and the Tulong Dunong program. We have also launched the Bagong Pilipinas Merit Scholarship Program for outstanding senior high school graduates pursuing priority degree programs. At the same time, we continue to strengthen technical vocational education and training as an equally important pathway to employment and livelihood. Through CHED and TESDA, we are working to ensure that young Filipinos can pursue the path best suited to their skills and aspirations, whether through a college degree or a technical vocational training. Every Filipino who completes higher education or training represents far more than a diploma or a certificate earned. This achievement gives someone a fairer chance to succeed, brings a family closer to a better future, equips a worker with the knowledge and skills for greater opportunities. Ito ang tunay na bunga ng edukasyon, mas abot kamay, dekalidad at nagbibigay sa bawat Pilipino ng pagkakataong makamit ang mas magandang kinabukasan. So, to our graduates, may your learning be guided by wisdom, your success measured by the lives that you uplift, and your achievements dedicated to the progress of our nation. Wherever life takes you, remain true to the ideals of this university. Use what you have learned to help build a stronger, more prosperous, and more compassionate Philippines. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay ang PLM, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you, Mr. President, for reflecting the interwoven threads of ambition, triumph, and compassion, and imprinting this notion to the graduating class of 2026.
O ikaw kabibig, ano ang iyong komento hinggil dito? Tama ba si Rinico? Or tama lang ang PLM sa pagbibigay ng honorary, highest honorary degree ni BBM? Kung yun ang nakita ng PLM na karapat-dapat si Marcos, wala tayong magagawa. Naibigay na ang award. At I'm sure naman pinag-usapan nila. Baka pinagbutuhan pa yan. Kasi ang sabi ni BBM, yung asawa ko noon dito nagtatrabaho, College of Law. So baka yun din ang kinakonsider ng PLM, mga kapipig. So huwag na tayong bitter sa achievement ni BBM. Once in a lifetime din yan. In the same time, hayaan na nating mag-enjoy si BBM sa konting kasiyahan. At least man lang ba, nakapagsuot ng toga, tapos nabigyan ng diploma. Ay, ano ba yung diploma na yan? Hindi, uy, ano ka ba? Hayaan na natin si BBM mag-enjoy. Once in a lifetime din yan. O, diba? Sabi nga ng iba, let this moment inspire a lot of people. Gawing inspirasyon si BBM. So it means tatakbo tayong presidente para magkaroon tayo ng honorary something chorva. Ay, wag naman ganyan. Honorary Doctor of Laws degree. O, diba? Kasi si BBM maraming nagawa sa gobyerno, sa economy, sa stability, and so on and so forth. Wow. Iba talaga pag isang Marcos. Yun lang kabibig. Ano ang yung komento tungkol dito? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone. See you next time.